Good morning, guys. Now it's time to start today's maths lesson. And in today's maths lesson, we're going to revise time o'clock. So pay attention because this is the last lesson that we're going to dedicate to o'clock, okay? So let's start. Here I have a clock, and if you have one yourself, take it out and let's play a game together, okay? Okay, guys. Okay, what time is it, guys? It's 10 o'clock. Show it on your clock. Come on. The long hand should be on 12 and the short hand should be looking at 10. Okay, let's try another one, guys. What time is it now, guys? 11 o'clock. Good job. Come on, try it out yourself. The long hand should be on 12 and the short hand should be looking at 11. Good job. Let's try another one. Okay, guys, what time is it now? It's 5 o'clock. Good job. Because the long hand is on 12 and the short hand is looking at 5. Okay? Guys, something about the clock that I wanted to tell you is this. Time never goes backwards like this. No, we can't do that. It always goes forwards. Like this, okay? Okay, guys, so here I have found you a very nice online game where at the top we have the clocks and at the bottom we have the time in words. So I'm going to help you read the time and you will help me to match the time with the correct clock, okay? Let's start. 12 o'clock. Here? No. Here? No. Here? No. Here? I think so, yes. Look, guys, because the short hand is looking at 12 as well. Okay, next one. 1 o'clock. Here? Okay. Let's put it here. And then we'll check at the end. 8 o'clock. Here? No. Here? Yes. Good job. Look, because the short hand is looking at 8. Next one. Is this 9 o'clock? Yes, well done. Good job. Next. 4 o'clock. Does it match with this? Yeah, probably. Look, because the short hand is looking at 4. 7 o'clock. Do you think so? Yes? Okay, good job. I think so, because the short hand is looking at 7. 3 o'clock. Yeah, okay. I think so. I think it's correct. 11 o'clock. Well done, guys. You're amazing. Next. Okay, we have 6 o'clock. Here? No. Here? Here? I don't think so. Here? Maybe, yes. Because look, the short hand is looking at 6. 2 o'clock. Does it go here? No. Here, maybe? Okay, let's try it out. Okay. 10 o'clock. Shall I put it here? No. Here? Yes, look, because the short hand is looking at 10. And the last one, 5 o'clock. Shall I put it here? Okay. Yes, correct again. You did them all correctly. Good job, guys. Okay, guys, it's time to play another game. And it is called Spelling the Time. Okay, guys, so what time is it? Is it... which clock shows 2 o'clock? Does this show 2 o'clock, guys? No. This? No. This? Yes, because the long hand is looking at 2. Good job. Next. Which clock shows 4 o'clock? This one, guys? Yes, because look, the short hand is looking at 4. Good job. Next. Which clock, excuse me, which clock shows 10 o'clock? This one? No. This one? Yeah, look, because the shorthand is looking at 10. Good job. Next one. Which clock shows 3 o'clock? This one? No. This one? Yes. I'm going to click on this. Good job, guys. And we are ready. Bye, guys.